If you stop consuming sugar for 15 days, myth, you'll lose a significant amount of weight immediately. Fact, your cravings for sweet foods might increase before they decrease. Myth, quitting sugar means you must avoid all carbs. Fact, eliminating sugar helps improve mental clarity and focus. Ever wondered what happens if you stop sugar for 15 days? Let's uncover the truth behind this sweet challenge. Myth, cutting out sugar instantly leads to weight loss. Fact, it's more about quality calories and overall diet. Fact, reducing sugar improves your energy levels by stabilizing blood sugar, preventing those midday crashes. Fact, cutting sugar from your diet can enhance your skin's appearance, reducing acne and dullness. Myth, sugar withdrawal is extremely hard. Fact, while challenging, it's manageable with the right mindset and substitutes.
Ready to try the no sugar challenge? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.